you probably know this already, but when we are talking about numbers, some numbers are even and some numbers are odd. Show me with your thumbs, do you think 2s are even numbers, thumbs up, or odd numbers, thumbs down? Are 2s count by even numbers or odd numbers? I'm missing some thumbs, so I need to see what you're thinking. They're evens, right? Anytime that you can pair a number up with a partner, it's going to be an even number. So that's what we're going to start talking about right here. They're multiples of 2. And let me zoom in. Can you guys see that okay in the back? Is it big enough? Okay. So, in an even number, the ones digit is always, read these with me, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. We're going to try that again because I think I'm getting some zombies. Read with me. The ones digit is always
0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
And if a number is not a multiple of 2, then it's called an odd number. So today we're going to be dealing with all even numbers. And I'm going to say the number, and you are going to say if it's even or odd, and I will label it E for even and O for odd. Ready? 7.
Odd.
4.
Even.
20.
Even.
Oh, nice. They can't fool you. 15.
Odd.
Oh, we're going to split. Double check. Does it end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0?
No.
Oh, it's going to be an odd. Ready for my next row? Oh my goodness, that was it. Pat yourselves on the back. We're going to solve some word problems. So some of these are probably going to have our even 2s, right? Because that's what I'm practicing today.
Our homework.
If you're one of my homers right now, make sure that you turn off your sidebar so that we can hear our recordings. Numero 5.
Numero 5.
At the art fair, Tamika sold 9 pairs of earrings. How many individual earrings did she sell? That word pairs is going to mean 2. What does pairs mean?
2.
So it's like groups of 2.
But 9 is an odd number.
9 is odd, but if it's 9 pairs, it's like 9 groups of 2. Let me show you this one, and then you'll do the next ones. If she has 9 pairs, I have 9 groups of 2. How can I solve 9 groups of 2? Don't tell me an answer. I want to know how I can solve that. Take it off. Keegan.
So you add 2 plus 2 9 times.
You could add 2 plus 2 9 times. 2 plus 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 2. Or because we know our 2 so well, do we have to add them?
I got one.
What else can we do, Emerson?
So there's a little trick for 9s.
There is a trick for 9s.
Should I show you?
Go ahead.
So it's 9 times 2. So put your fingers out and put down the second finger, and then it's 18.
Oh, we will learn that more when we do our 9s. But you're totally right. That's a great trick for 9s. For this one, since it's a 2's fact, 9 times 2, let's go ahead and count by our 2. How many times will I do it?
9 times.
9 times. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Ooh, so 9 times 2 is?
18.
18 sneakers.
Pairs
Right?
of earrings.
Oh,
Earrings.
18
Earrings.
earrings. Let's see if we can solve the next one on our own. So grab your math board.
Grab your math board.
I'm going to show you the problem. And on your board, you are going to have an equation, answer, and label. This first time you can just listen as you're getting your board situated, and then make sure that your hands are quiet. Rhonda divided 8 crayons equally between her twin brothers. How many crayons did each boy get? Let's read it again together so we all understand. Ready? Rhonda divided 8 crayons equally between her twin brothers. How many crayons did each boy get? There were some key words. Who heard a key word that tells us something we're going to do? Dex. Divided. Absolutely. I bet this is going to be a division equation, right? Divided is absolutely a key word. Eli, did you catch something else? Each. Ooh. So that I know that it's my equal groups when I'm dividing. So I'm probably going to see some groups down below. Good. River. Ooh, equally. So I heard each and equally. That means that there's equal groups. And since I'm dividing, I probably know my total. Instead of equal groups, I'm going to have equal shares. Okay, let's plug in what I know then. Do I know my total?
8.
Let me zoom out a little so you guys can see this. My total is 8, right?
Yeah.
Do I know how many groups I'm splitting it into? Let's see. She has the 8 crayons and she's splitting them between her twin brothers. How many people would that be?
2.
Okay, so 2 groups. Go ahead and draw your 2 groups. Brother 1, brother 2. They kind of do look like they could be their heads, huh? And we need to figure out how many crayons did each boy get. We tried this yesterday. Remember we counted with our dots and we went back and forth. 1, 2, 3, and we went all the way up to 8. Please solve that on your board. Figure out how many go in each group. Well, I'm going to peek and see how you're doing on that. Pass.
Yes.
How many did each brother get in the picture?
4.
4. So, I need a mathematician to show me, if this is my picture, how would I represent this as a division equation? Remember, division starts with my big numbers, and then I divide it into groups, or groups of something to find the other factor. Keegan, what would my equation be?
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
8 divided by 2, so I took 8 and I split it into 2 groups, equals 4
Crayons.
crayons.